Hello there, we're coming to you live today from 4914 Glen Summit Drive in Perry Hall, Maryland, and Glenside Farms. This is a gorgeous house that's going to be hitting the market real soon, and you'll be able to see a full video walkthrough that we're going to do of the home. For now, just know it's located in a great neighborhood setting. Right across the street from the house is an open area for kids to play. A little park area, gazebo area, playground area. It's perfect for all that. 2-car garage, brick front. The roof has been replaced. Let's see what we got around here. Show you the sides. You can see it's a walkout basement that goes down, sits up nice, overlooking the homes that are behind it. So you kind of look down at them so nobody's up looking at you. So it's situated pretty nice. And then we're going to come in through the front door here and see the nice walkway here with steps. We're going to come in through the door and take a look and see what we have. Alright, so we look through the front and we got these gorgeous floors that have been updated and replaced throughout. To the left, we have a living area for living room, for a formal living room. And then over to the right, we have a dining room as you come in. We have 9-foot ceilings on this level. Your main staircase going up is in the middle. And then we come through here into the main family room area. Nice big family room. We got our fireplace. And then some custom windows. Custom blinds. And then off of the family room is an office. So you have a first floor office in here. Pretty big. Pretty big area. Could be a bedroom if you wanted to use it as a bedroom. And then right off of that is going to be a half a bath. And here, half bath that you have. Okay. And then we're going to keep going through. And close that door. Keep going through here. You can see this is a nice big sectional. Got a chair too. Lots of space in here. We'll give you another angle of this room in a minute. You can also come through from the dining room. This is going to be your basement door. We'll go down there last. So look through here. You have your family room. Another view. And then it goes into your kitchen with your morning room bump out, which gives you a breakfast bar area past the sink for some high top chairs. Plenty of table space, which can easily fit 6, maybe more. And you still have plenty of space in there too. Huge kitchen. Got your center island, all your cabinets. Got some recessed lights, some pendant lights, French door refrigerator. And then there's a nice pantry here as well, which we'll open and take a peek in. So you got a nice sized pantry in here. And then off the kitchen, you also have a mudroom area with washer and dryer and more storage in here. And then we'll walk through, go outside to the deck. Take a nice look there so you can see how big this morning room is. It's so big. You know, you got your chairs. This gives you another angle of the room. Lets all this nice light in. And then we're going to go out here. Take a peek out back. Nice maintenance-free deck that you have with your wrought iron rails. All maintenance-free, vinyl and PVC. Just gets sprayed down. You got steps over here And you have your basement sliding glass door over here with a concrete patio. They also have a portable basketball hoop here that you can shoot baskets out back. And then you can see the backyard is pretty big. It's got a slight slope to it, which slopes away from the house, which is good for drainage and positive water flow away from the house. Okay. And then if you wanted to finish the yard in, all you need to do is add a little side fence over here, a little section in the back here, and then finish the other half kind of going around this way if you wanted to finish your full you know, fenced in yard. But you can see you got some pretty nice views off the deck. You know, you don't have houses completely on top of you, and you got some nice privacy with these mature trees and all. And then the outside of the house, it's pretty impressive. You know, it's a nice size house. Got your big family room. You have a bedroom above that, and then with your morning room. And we'll go back in now. What we're going to do is we're going to head upstairs and take a peek at the upper level of the home and see how that's laid out, so you can get a good feel for that. And then we will head to the basement. So let's head upstairs into what we have here. So this is going to be your master bedroom here. And you see how big this is. Nice big size. Nice big size. Have a whole bunch of triple dressers. We're going to head back this way. Take a peek. Are you in here? Mm-hmm. In the bathroom. Photographer's in here. So you got ceramic tile floor. You got the dual vanity sinks. You got a shower behind there, and then you have a nice corner soaking tub for that, and then you got your shower. So nice master bath. We can go close that, and then we're going to turn this way. Got some recessed lights in here. Ceiling fan, and then we have another closet in here as well, which is a super nice walk-in closet. And you can see it's all double tiered for clothes, built-ins for shirts, sweatshirts, shoes, everything perfectly put away. So everything looks nice in there. That's the master and owner suite. Then we go over to this bedroom, which is actually a nice sized bedroom too. You come in here and you have two windows. Nice big area for a desk and bed and everything. And then this also has a very nice walk-in closet too, where it's just like almost close to the size of the master. Not quite as big, but still pretty big. So we'll turn that off and head down the hallway. And then we got your floor up here has been updated too, just like the base, just like the main level. And then down this hallway we have another full bath here, which is going to be the hall bath, ceramic tile floor, and then your shower there has a curtain there. And then we have your two-story foyer, which overlooks your entranceway. So that's a nice shot there, a two-story foyer. And then in here is bedroom number 3, if you're counting. So we got bedroom number 3, another nice size bedroom. And then this has double closet doors on it. So it's not a walk-in, but it's still pretty big, as you can see. So you can still fit a lot of stuff in there. And then we have one more bedroom that we're going to be looking at, which is going to be over here. And this is going to be bedroom number 4. So we look in here. Another nice size room, 2 full-size windows, ceiling fan, and some oversized furniture too. Plenty of furniture, you know, in here as well. And then we have a I believe this is another walk-in closet. We'll see. Oh yeah, this is another super big walk-in closet. So 3 out of the 4 bedrooms have walk-in closets in them. So it's a really nice big floor plan, especially if your kids are a little older or you plan on being in the house for a while as they grow up, which you'll see back here. It's a lot of high school, college kids back here, since the houses are about 20, 25 years old. Let me see what else we have. We got to look in the basement. So let's head downstairs. We'll hit the basement. And then let me take a quick peek in the garage too. You're good, you can come in. Alright, so she can come back. And then we'll go down the basement. So the basement is unfinished, but there's a lot of storage room and a lot of potential down here for finishing it the way you want to finish it. You know, the house is so big they didn't have to finish it. They just use it as storage down here. So you can see all this area here goes all the way back. You could almost do like another bedroom here. There's a rough end somewhere for a bathroom. So this is just one section. You have your electric panel and FOYER box. And then over here he has it set up as like a indoor baseball training kind of studio. And this is all, again, can be finished in here. There's your sliding glass door going out to your concrete patio. And then we come down here. We have a whole nother area that's open. And you actually have another sliding glass door down here too, with another concrete patio. So you have 2 separate concrete patios. So this house really offers a lot. There's some built-in workspace for, you know, if you are a handyman, you want to keep your tools down here, you know, and then they have this set up as kind of like a gym, and then you can also bring in your deck furniture from the outside during the winter time, you know, when you don't want it outside in the elements. But if you like what you saw in this house, you know, come check it out, because I don't think it's going to last very long. Not at this price. Not in this neighborhood. There's like, you know, not much available that's as nice quality as this. So come check it out. You know, make an appointment with your agents. And we'll see you soon. If you have questions, you can always call, you know, the listing agent too directly and have all your questions answered. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Take care and have a good one.